So this is what Jerry, my dog, does every day outside. He walks around and just stares at nothing. Which, I don't know how to feel about this. Eventually he's gonna pee on himself. Which then leads to him stinking really badly. Which is very annoying. He just does this every single day. Just walks around, and that's it. This is all he does in his spare time. And now he pees. And that's it. That's not it, but he does this everywhere. Don't mind that. He does this everywhere he goes. He marks his territory on the tree, all around here, all around there, all around there, and around the house. He's doing it again right there. It's just very annoying. Ugh. It's just very annoying. He does some weird things, I'm gonna be honest.